In this video, we'll walk you through making tax digital for income tax and how Zoho Books helps you keep your tax submissions accurate, up-to-date, and stress-free. This feature will be available only for organizations registered as a sole trader business type. As a sole trader, you can choose to submit your income tax updates online every quarter through HMRC's Making Tax Digital for Income Tax scheme. With Zoho Books, it's easy to manage this. You can connect your organization to HMRC, and Zoho Books will automatically fetch your quarterly obligations. You can map your accounts to the right categories, review and submit your updates directly from Zoho Books in just a few clicks. In this video, we will cover the following topics. Before you get started, ensure the following prerequisites are met. Number 1, you must have an HMRC Online Services account. If you haven't created one yet, you can sign up through the official HMRC website. Number 2, you must be registered for the Making Tax Digital for Income Tax scheme. If you haven't registered yet, you can register yourself at As the first step, let's enable Making Tax Digital for Income Tax. Go to Settings. Under Taxes and Compliance, select Taxes. In the Taxes pane, under Other Taxes, select Income Tax. In the Income Tax page, click Connect HMRC. In the pop-up, choose Admin if you are the business owner submitting the quarterly updates to HMRC through Zoho Books. If you choose Admin, you will have to enter the national insurance number issued by HMRC and proceed further. Or, choose Agent if you are an accountant submitting the quarterly updates on behalf of your client. Ensure that you are authorized as an agent by HMRC before submitting the updates. If you choose Agent, you will have to enter the agent registration number issued by HMRC, national insurance number issued by HMRC to your client, the postcode of your client's business for verification, and proceed further. For the purpose of this video, let's select Admin. Enter the national insurance number, read and agree to the terms and conditions, and click Continue to HMRC's website. Go ahead and click Continue. Click Sign in to the HMRC online service. Enter the required credentials and click Sign in. To allow your software to connect with HMRC, click Give Permission. You'll be redirected to your Zoho Books organization. In the Making Tax Digital for Income Tax page, select the business name that is registered with HMRC. Your business details will be displayed. Verify the details and click Save. You can now prepare and submit your quarterly updates to HMRC directly from your Zoho Books organization. To prepare your quarterly updates, you will need to fetch the obligations from HMRC into Zoho Books. In your Zoho Books organization, go to Income Tax on the left sidebar. In the Making Tax Digital for Income Tax page, click Fetch Details from HMRC. The quarterly submission periods will be fetched from HMRC and displayed in Zoho Books. Note, once you fetch your quarterly updates, you cannot disconnect or modify your business name until the updates are finalized and submitted to HMRC. Select the quarterly update period you want to submit to HMRC. In the Generate and Finalize Quarterly Update page, under the Map Accounts tab, you will have to map the accounts in Zoho Books to the respective categories in the quarterly update. The available categories are Period Income, Period Expenses, and Period Disallowable Expenses. Here, Zoho Books will automatically map related accounts to each corresponding category. You can also click here to add additional accounts to each category. In the pop-up, under Recommended Accounts, the most relevant accounts will be filtered based on your transactions. Or, you can go to the All Accounts section and select the required accounts. Zoho Books will calculate the amount for each category based on the transactions recorded under the accounts for the respective period. Once you've mapped the required accounts with the categories, click Save and Generate. Under the Review tab, verify the amounts under each category. Note, any changes made to the transactions will be reflected in the return until it is finalized. Once the return is finalized, no further changes can be made, even if transactions are created or updated within the return period. After verifying, click Finalize Return. In the pop-up that appears, click Finalize Update. The respective quarterly update will be marked as finalized. Next, let's submit the quarterly updates to HMRC. Before submitting, ensure that your Zoho Books organization is connected to HMRC. If not, reconnect to HMRC to submit the updates. To submit, go to the Making Tax Digital for Income Tax page and click Send Update at the top right corner. The quarterly update will be sent to HMRC and its status will be marked as submitted in Zoho Books. Let's look at some of the other actions that can be performed in Making Tax Digital for Income Tax. You can edit the quarterly updates. To do so, click the More icon at the top right corner and select Edit from the drop-down. Click Continue to edit. In the next page, make the necessary changes, review, and finalize the quarterly update. When you connect your Zoho Books organization with HMRC, the connection will be valid only for 18 months. You won't be able to send quarterly updates once the connection is expired. A banner will appear here. You can click Do It Now to reconnect your Zoho Books organization with HMRC. You can also keep record of all the activities that were carried out over your MTD income tax quarterly updates during a particular period of time. Go to Reports and search for Activity Logs and Audit Trail. Here, you can view a chronological list of activities regarding your MTD for income tax. You can also configure the level of access a user can have over your MTD income tax quarterly updates. Go to Settings, and under Users and Roles, click Roles. Click New Role at the top. Enter the role name. Scroll down to MTD Income Tax. Here, you can mark the boxes to permit the user to view quarterly updates, send them to HMRC, and export them as well. Once done, click Save. If you no longer want to send quarterly updates to HMRC, you can disconnect Making Tax Digital for Income Tax. To do this, go to Income Tax in the Taxes pane. Click Disconnect at the top right corner. In the pop-up that appears, click Disconnect to confirm. Making Tax Digital for Income Tax will be disconnected from your Zoho Books organization. And that's a wrap for our video on Making Tax Digital for Income Tax. Thanks for watching.